What is the capital city of India?
New Delhi.
What is the national song of India?
Vande Mataram.
What is the national anthem of India?
Jana Gana Mana.
How many districts are there in Andhra Pradesh state?
13.
How many states are there in India?
United States.
How many colors are there in Indian national flag?
3 colors.
What is the wheel at the center of the flag?
Ashoka Chakra.
When do we celebrate Independence Day?
August 15.
When is Children's Day celebrated?
November 14.
When is Teachers Day celebrated?
September 5.
What is the name of our country?
India.
Which is our national animal?
Tiger.
Which is our national bird?
Peacock.
Which is our national flower?
Lotus.
Which is our national sport?
Hockey.
Which is our national fruit?
Mango.
Which is our national tree?
Banyan tree.
What is the national currency of India?
Rupee.
Which is the tallest animal on the earth?
Giraffe.
Which festival is called the Festival of Light?
Diwali.
How many months are there in a year?
12 months.
How many days are there in a week?
7 days.
How many weeks are there in a year?
52 weeks.
How many days are there in a year?
365 days.
How many hours are there in a day?
24 hours.
Which is our national vegetable?
Pumpkin.
Which continent is known as the dark continent?
Africa.
Who invented the computer?
Charles Babbage.
How many letters are there in English alphabet?
26 letters.
How many consonants are there in English alphabet?
21 letters.
How many vowels?
5 vowels.
Which is the tallest mountain in the world?
Mount Everest.
Which is the largest ocean in the world?
Pacific Ocean.
Which planet is known as the red planet?
Mars.
How many colors are there in the rainbow?
7 colors.
Which animal is known as the ship of the desert?
Camel.
Which is the biggest sea animal?
Blue whale.
Where do we get wool from?
Sheep.
Young one of a cat is called?
Kitten.
Which animal guards our home?
Dog.
What are the colors in rainbow?
Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet.
Where does the sun rise?
East.
Where does the sun set?
West.
Which vegetable has crown on its head?
Brinjal.
How many sides does a triangle have?
3 sides.
Which is the shape of an egg?
Oval.
In which festival we play with colors?
Holy.
Name the game which is played with bat, ball and wicket.
Cricket.
Place where animals and birds are kept.
Zoo.
What color do you see in a tropic light?
Red, yellow, green.
Which organ is used to taste food?
Tongue.
Where should we cross the road?
Zebra crossing.
Which fruit has no seeds?
Banana.
How many ears do we have?
2 years.
Name of the 5 sense organs.
Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin.
Which bird crows early in the morning?
Cock.
Where does a dog live?
Kennel.
Which bird cannot fly?
Ostrich.
Baby of horse is called?
Bull.
Which animal is called king of jungle?
Lion.
Fastest animal on the earth is?
Cheetah.
Where is the red fort?
New Delhi.
What is the name of our planet?
Earth.
Who is the first woman prime minister of India?
Sri Indira Gandhi.
Which river is considered the lifeline of India?
Ganga.
What is the largest desert in India?
Kashmir.
How many union territories does the India have?
8.
Who wrote the Indian national anthem Jana Gana Mana?
Rabindranath Tagore.
Who was the first prime minister of India?
Jawaharlal Nehru.
Which is the largest democracy in the world?
India.
What is the largest classical dance from India?
Bharatanatyam.
Which Indian scientist won the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1930?
Sri V. Raman.
Which is the first Indian satellite launched into space?
Aryabhatta.
Which Indian city is known as the IT capital of India?
Bangalore.
What is the name of our Indian national flag?
Tiranga.
What is the national motto of India?
Satyameva Jayate.
Which is our national river of India?
Ganga.
Which is our national dish of India?
Khichdi.
Which is our national heritage animal?
Elephant.
Which is our national aquatic animal?
Dolphin.
What is the national emblem of India?
The lion capital of Ashoka.
What is the name of our state?
Andhra Pradesh.
Which is the name of our state tree?
Jimri.
Which is the name of our state flower?
Jasmine.
What is our state emblem?
Pundal.
What is our state motto?